Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin.
The street came alive as the nation celebrated the homecoming parade of Krishna Gravidas, our proudly reigning queen, Miss World Asia, whose grace, strength, and beauty have brought pride to the Philippines. Adorned in elegance and surrounded by love and admiration, Krishna returned home to a warm and festive welcome filled with cheers, smile, and Filipino pride. From her dazzling achievement on the international stage, her unwavering dedication to representing the country with heart and honor, her homecoming is not just a celebration of success, it's a celebration of home. Thank you, Krishna, for uplifting the Filipino spirit. You are truly a queen of the people.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!